So these are some of the activities that you can do here in Banana Fun Park. Okay, and we are now heading to Byron Bay. Oh, look at this. If you notice this greenery, they are all sugar cane. Also to the other side. And from here we are now seeing the Byron Bay town proper is down there. You see the water. Now here in Byron Bay. Yeah, that's the Byron Bay. And do you know that this part, this area, this is the most land of Australia. How to say that? This is like the point, the end point, the last point, land of Australia. You know what I mean? Look down there.
Oh, ang ganda, Toby.
Look, oh, there is a group of dolphin.
Tayo nandito, dito.
There is group of dolphins in there. Yeah, nice. And that is the lighthouse. Yeah. I don't know why there is a big electric fan on top of that. Wow, look at that house. Amazing. Maybe a celebrity house. We're going to zoom it in there. Yeah, there are some people surfing down there. You know, when I come here in Byron Bay last time with my bike parking, yeah, I didn't see this place because I have no idea. I didn't know that this place exists. And when I went back to Nelson Bay, the guys asked me, "Did you go to the lighthouse in Byron Bay?" I said, "No, I have no I don't know where is that." So this is space, this is spot is the very end of Australia on this side. And again, there are many beautiful mansions down there. Oh, this is the English that I am trying to say. Most easterly point of the Australian mainland. Yeah, that's what I am trying to say a while ago. Ignorance is kind. There's no heart that's in the sea. The bleed is so hard to find. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet, I've got no rhythm. We are now here in one of the hotel and we're going to stay in this for one night. And now this time we're going to roam around the town. We'll be using this part. buy a cup of coffee that side. If you can see on top of that, there is the lighthouse. That's where we've been. You're going to zoom it and you'll see the surprise. Yeah, that's the place where there is a big electric pan on the top. Do you know that Inigo strongly disagree that Byron Bay is a hippie community? Strongly disagree.
Explain mo. Explain mo. Hirap na yung English nun.
He don't believe that this hippie community because this place is expensive. And he said that it's supposed to be cheap, affordable, sharing. Yeah, he said that this place is very much commercialized. That was really good. Yeah, those are Arabic food. I remember when I was working in Dubai, I was doing those palapel, babaganus, mutabal, tabule. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are going to check out now from this wake up backpacker guest house. Yeah, Inigo is there, and this is my sleeping equipment and some clothes. I didn't use it actually. And it is raining. Okay. Yo, it has been raining.
Pero tuyo oh.
Oo nga, no? It has been raining since we left the Byron Bay. And now we are here in Wolgolga. Yeah, that's the name of the place. And similar to Wollongong, there is a place like this. Also similar to Cops Harbor, there is a place like this. And this is the beach. Residential area. You see the clouds is you see it on top of the mountain. Yeah, it is good because in the previous days that we are traveling, there was no rain. The rain has just started last night actually. This Wolgolga is next to Cops Harbor. We're actually now heading back to Nelson Bay because tomorrow I'll be working breakfast. Trying a pain with a stranger, singing my life with this world, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, filling my whole life with his song, killing me softly with his song. This is similar to North of Luzon Expressway. Downstairs is the rice field. They are not rice, they are just a field. We are again here in Port Macquarie. We didn't go here last time because we don't know this. They also have a very long beach on that side. We can't really see the other end. Also, there are many people that are surfing down there, and they have this. There's a heavy rain outside. That's why we are now here inside and we're going to eat. We are here in Boladella, and we just stopped here because you had to take a little bit of rest, and we're going to buy something, just something to have.